This is day one of making $10,000 from matched betting. So as we can see here, I've got $1,000 that I'm going to start with. The first thing that I'm going to do, as we can see, I've already got a sports bet and a tab. So I'm not going to use those accounts for now. You'll see that the sports bet and the tab will feature prominently throughout this journey. But the first thing that I'm going to do is basically just go and open up a number of bookies. So the bookies that I'm going to open up, I'm going to work basically top down through the Platinum Squad Bookie List. Hey guys, sorry, I thought I'd just quickly jump in here to introduce myself. So my name's Steve, along with JP, Tom, Greeny, Lenny. We are The System, a matched betting community helping thousands of Australians make money off the bookies through matched betting. As it stands today, we have easily made as a community over $50 million off the bookies, and we plan to continue to make much more. What you're about to see on the Platinum Squad Bookie List is one of the many tools and resources provided by us to our members to help them make money off the bookies. Anyway, let's get back to it. I'm going to open up to begin with a Ladbrokes, a BetR, a PointsBet, a Bet365, and a Unibet. I'm going to open up a Unibet as well. Now, I'm not necessarily going to deposit into all of these bookies straight away, but I am just going to go and open them up at least. So Bet365, go and open that. So as we can see, we've now signed up to Ladbrokes, and Ladbrokes are offering 3 different deposit offers here. 100% deposit match up to $150 in bonus bets, aka deposit $150 and get $150 in bonus, must be used on racing. Or deposit $50, get $100 in bonus to be used on racing, or deposit $50 and get $50 to just be used on anything. So I'll come back to that in a second. I probably won't use this instantly. However, I do need to use it within a week. So that's fine. We'll open up the next account now. Now we'll go to BlueBet. All right, so we've opened up BetR now. We'll open up the next one. I'll open up a Unibet account. Let's see on the bookie list, what does it say about Unibet? Here we go. So on the bookie list, we can see here, when asked if you bet mostly on racing or sport, if you're proficient in Betfair, say racing. If you are not, select sports. This will determine what type of offer you will receive. So I'm going to say racing because I am proficient with Betfair. Cool. That's obviously the beauty of the bookie list here, is that basically any piece of information that you need to know about a bookie is on this bookie list, which is just a genuine piss take. And whilst it might not seem like a super valuable piece of information in the moment, you combine hundreds and hundreds of pieces of information and they're all worth money. And it just takes the doubt in your mind. You're like, oh, should I do this? Should I do that? Just refer to the bookie list, and the bookie list will tell you piss take. I remember when Lenny first started with the team, and I used to just ask him anything, any question that I had, any doubt. I'd just be like, what do I do here? What do I do here? And he'd just be like, yeah, do that, do that, do that. And it just saves you the stress of having to consider, oh, should I do this? Should I do that? The uncertainty. This way, you're putting your faith in someone who has a lot more information and knowledge than you. And sometimes in life, you should not be making decisions for yourself. This is the reality in anything. You should not be making decisions for your life. Everyone's like, no, I need to make the decision that best suits my life. More often than not, you don't know what best suits your life. A simple example of that would be a 10-year-old is trying to work out what career they should go. And they go, no, I want to become a tradie or something. And their parents are going, mate, I think you should just finish grade 5. Obviously, the parents are making the best decision for their children there, or for their child there, as opposed to giving that decision to a 10-year-old. That same concept applies throughout life, through all aspects. Just because you become 25 years old doesn't mean that you all of a sudden know what's best for your life. You think you do, but you don't actually know. And chances are someone who has been there, done that, got the life experience, got the skills, got the runs on the board, chances are has a better idea about what is best for your life. So with this bookie list, you're basically putting any decision that you need to make in the hands of Greeny, essentially, who made this bookie list. And he has made hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars off match betting and is a walking encyclopedia. Obviously, Lenny's knowledge and JP and Tom and myself, all of our knowledge is on this bookie list. And you're basically handing over the responsibility to people who have a much better idea. So that's the benefit of it. All right, so we can see now I've got Sportsbet tab, Bet365, Bet Local, Ladbrokes, Unibet, BetR, BoomBet, CrossBet, PointsBet, Real Bookie, Rob Waterhouse, MintBet, Surge, GoldBet, and PonyBet. So a little bit of admin there it's taken me 45 minutes or so, but I've gone and opened up now 16 bookies. Obviously, I already had Sportsbet and Tab. Now, the way that it works with the bookies is they don't always give you a deposit offer straight away. Some of them won't give you a deposit offer. Some of them will. It's a bit sort of up in the air sometimes. Some of them, one bookie will offer a deposit offer to one customer, but they won't offer it to another one. So it's constantly changing. So that's why the more information you have, the better. Now, I've gone and opened up 16 bookies in total. Some of them have given me a deposit offer straight away. Fantastic. So I'm going to use those. Some of them will make me wait. So I'm not going to deposit into accounts that haven't offered me a deposit offer yet. I'll probably give it a week and see if they do give me a deposit offer in that time. They'll probably send me a text or an email. And if they do, fantastic. If they don't, then I'll probably just go ahead and open them up later if they do offer ongoing promotions that I can use to make money from. So here's a perfect example here. I've actually received an email from BoomBet saying deposit up to $100 and get up to $100 in bonus bets. You beauty. So I know that BoomBet have offered me 100 via email. So I'm just going to put it in there so that, it's nice to keep tabs myself. Great. PonyBet. We can see PonyBet have offered me a deposit match, 50-50 instant. Cool. That's nice. We like to see that. GoldBet. Let's see if there's anything in GoldBet. I doubt there will be anything in GoldBet at the moment. Rob Waterhouse. We can see Rob Waterhouse have given me 50% deposit 150, get 75. That's nice. Nothing on CrossBet yet. BoomBet, yes. Better, no. Bet Local. See if anything on Bet Local. Doesn't look like anything on Bet Local. Ladbrokes, yes. First, I'm gonna plan to deposit into BoomBet, CrossBet, and Rob Waterhouse, but I want to quickly read what the bookie list says about these bookies. So I've gone and deposited $100 into BoomBet. As we can see here, I've got 100 in bonus there. You beauty. So 26th of the 2nd, 25. I've deposited into BoomBet. I put on $100, put in $100 there, and I got a bonus credit from BoomBet of $100. Very nice. Now I'm going to go across into, where else did I have a deposit offer? Going to go deposit into PonyBet. So PonyBet, deposit 50, get 50, deposit now to claim your $50 bonus. Fantastic, I'm going to do that. Deposit successful, got $50 in there with $50 bonus cash. You beauty. All right, back here, we'll go here again. We got another deposit, we got in PonyBet. $50, that's going to be another 50 there because it's going to be that PonyBet and it's going to be bonus credit. We'll leave it there for now for the deposits. Now I'm going to look, because this is video one, I'm going to do the simplest method to turn over a deposit offer, and I'm going to use two-way Dutching to look to turn over some of this bonus cash, and I'll start with with BoomBet. So in BoomBet, we can see here basketball, NBA today. We can see here are the different odds of the games, and I'm going to be looking to two-way Dutch some of this bonus cash on one of these sports. Firstly, what I'm actually going to do though, now this is probably a little bit crazy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck a $5 multi on. Cavs at $1.32, that's about market value. Houston Bucks that's shit. Nah, they're crap odds. Suns, Memphis, that's not horrible value. We'll go Golden State in there as well. So I'm also, the first bet I'm going to place a little multi on these just at $5. Place bet. Yes, done. So I've placed just a quick $5 bet with BoomBet, non-promo, BoomBet, sport, 4-leg, NBA, multi, $5, $7, 7.64 odds, 7.64. So I've just put that on because I don't want the first bet that I'm putting on being a bonus bet. So I'm happy to lose that. I'm happy to donate $5 here. I know that the bookies, they've given me $100 in bonus bets, so I'm going to make profit off this account. So I'm happy to just put on a little $5 multi there. Sports, now I'm going to look to turn over one of these deposit offers. So I'm going to look to probably turn over $25 in deposits. And now I need to be careful, actually. I can't use one of the teams that I just placed in this non-promo, or I can't use one of the teams they're playing against. So I'm probably going to look at this Dallas match. So as we can see here, BoomBet are offering $4 for Dallas. So if I go to the two-way Dutch calculator, $25 bonus on at $4, which is what I'll look to do. If I can find a team paying $1.26 or a bookie offering the Lakers paying $1.26, and I put $60 on, I'm going to guarantee myself $15 either way. If I put $50 on this, then I'd put $120 on the other team, but I won't do that for now. Maybe I'll place a $30 bonus bet. 30 and 70 is nice. Then this goes back to, all right, PonyBet. I've already deposited into PonyBet, so let's see basketball, what odds PonyBet are offering for the Lakers. $1.25, so it's not fantastic. I mean, I could take $1.25. It's not the end of the world. I still get 60% turnover. But I'm going to have a look. Where else did I deposit into? Nowhere else yet. Maybe Ladbrokes is where I'll deposit into as well. So let's see what Ladbrokes are offering. Ladbrokes are going to be offering, I think, even shorter by the look of things. It looks like they're offering $1.24 odds for this game. NBA, they're offering $1.24. So maybe, is there another bookie that I can look to deposit into? Maybe I'll see what Rob Waterhouse is doing, because if Rob Waterhouse is offering decent odds, then I'll deposit into Rob Waterhouse as well. Done. Sport Australian rules. Sorry, not Australian rules. Basketball, NBA. They're offering $1.25 as well. So nothing too crazy. It seems like, $1.25 is basically the market for the Lakers, which is fine. Unibet, I think, are offering a little bit higher, but doesn't look like I've got a deposit offer yet. So I want to wait to see if Unibet give me a deposit offer. Otherwise, I think we're good. We're just going to take the $1.25. So we've got $1.25 here. Perfect 60% turnover. I've got BoomBet and PonyBet. I'm going to place a $25 bonus bet here. 25, maybe even place a $20 bonus bet. That's perfect. So Dallas, I'm going to place a $20 bonus bet here on Dallas. Place bet, confirm. That bet's on. Nice. So promo on BoomBet. No, sorry, not a promo. Bonus on BoomBet Sport. This is on Dallas. $20 stake at $4. And then I'm going to go over on PonyBet. And as we can see here, the calculator is telling me with PonyBet at $1.25 odds for the Lakers, I should place $48 and I'm going to get a 60% return no matter what. I'm not going to place $48. I'm just going to place the pure 50 because that's how much I've deposited into the account, and that just makes sense. That's what a gambler would do. They deposit 50, chuck it on the Lakers, and then hope for the best. So then I've got over here in PonyBet. PonyBet, I've staked $50 at $1.25 odds, and as we can see, no matter who wins, I'm either going to walk away with $10 profit from $20, or I'm going to walk away with $12.50 profit no matter what. So obviously not the greatest turnover, but this happens because I put $50 here instead of $48. If it was $48, it would be $12 profit no matter what. We can see that's 60% no matter what, but obviously I put 50 here just to use a nice round number, and I'm going to make either $10 profit or $12.50 profit no matter who wins. Cool. Dallas v Lakers. Great. Now, I've also got a $50 bonus bet in PonyBet, which I can look to use somewhere else as well. So I might put this on a team. Let's have a look. It looks like the best odds, Toronto Raptors is pretty good odds at $5.10. So Toronto at 5.10. Let's see, if I put $50 on Toronto, this match is about to start, so it's good to do this. If I put 5.10, and let's see where else was I going to get? Rob Waterhouse. Let's see what Rob Waterhouse is offering for this game. They're offering $1.17, 60%, so it's not great. So I want to be trying to find probably $1.18, maybe even $1.19. Can I find $1.19 anywhere? There are $1.19s around, but I want to try and do it on one of these accounts that I'm going to deposit. Ladbrokes are offering me $1.17, which is nice. So that's a 60% turnover. I don't mind that. All right, so I'm also going to deposit into Ladbrokes, and I'm going to take the max. I need to use these bonus bets on racing though. So obviously if you don't know how to do that, then I recommend taking the third option, but I do know how to do that, so I'm going to be more than comfortable to do that. If you deposit $150, you'll be matched 100% in bonus bets, you beauty. So I'm going to Apple Pay that. I'm going to go 150 in. Deposit successful, so we've gone and deposited into Ladbrokes. Ladbrokes 150, and we got a bonus credit in Ladbrokes of 150 as well. Cool. Then we're going to go back to our sport. We're going to go back to the basketball, USA, NBA, and we can see here that in PonyBet, Toronto, I've got $5.10 on PonyBet for Toronto, 25 at 5.10, and it's $1.17. So it's a little under 60%, but that's okay. And I might just change up this stake. There we go, $29. What's 30 actually? 30 is 105. What's 20 is 70. That's not the worst. In PonyBet, how much money do I have in PonyBet? I've got a 50 bonus, and I've got 250 cash. BoomBet are also offering $1.17 for Boston. So I can actually, what I'll do here is I'm going to split. I'm going to put this $50 bonus bet on PonyBet, and I'm supposed to put 175 on. So I'm going to put 75 on with BoomBet, and I'm going to put 100 on with Ladbrokes. So that's what I'm going to do here, both at $1.17 odds. So I'll put it into my spreadsheet before I do it. I'm going to go a bonus on PonyBet, and I'm going to go sport, and this is going to be Toronto, and it's going to be 50 at $5.10, and then I'm going to go Ladbrokes, and I'm going to put $100 on at $1.17 on Boston, and on BoomBet, I'm going to put $75 on at $1.17. So then no matter what, either this bet wins, so I'm either going to profit $30 there if my bonus bet wins, or I'm going to profit $29 there if my bonus bet doesn't win. All right, so I'm going to head over to PonyBet, and I'm going to place that $5.10 bonus on. Confirm that bet is on. Then I'm going to head over to Ladbrokes, and I'm going to place $100 on the Boston Celtics. That bet is on, done. And then I'm going to head over to, where else was I going to do that? BoomBet. And I'm going to place $75 there. And that bet is on, done. So we'll see what happens as this game plays out, and we can see how much money I've made and how much bonus I've got. So the good thing is over here, we can see that in BoomBet, I've still got $80 in bonus, and Ladbrokes, I've still got $80 in bonus. These balances will actually update once I put in these results as well. So if we imagine we go and put in these results here, and we can see what happens. It will tell me that my PonyBet has $225 and my BoomBet Ladbrokes have gone down. If I do the other way, we can see that the accounts have changed. PonyBet balance is $50, still is $50, because this, if I do that there, then it will show my PonyBet balance is $0 because I placed it on promo over here with bonus with PonyBet. It'll show my BoomBet balance has gone up, and it's gone up here as well. So my BoomBet balance will have blown up nicely. Yep. Cool. Either way, and then it'll show me that I'm roughly sitting at probably about $35 profit. So that took me overall, that's taken me probably about an hour and a half. However, that was a lot of the admin out of the way. And no matter what, I'm going to make about $35, and I'm going to still have over $230, which I'm going to turn into another $110, $120 very easily. But I'm just going to do things in bite size for now. So that's day one of making 10K matched betting. That's taken me an hour and a half to do. However, I have 20 bookmakers now set up. I have done all the admin there. I'm going to get more deposit offers. I have more bookies deposit offers ready to use. And now we just start printing cash. We'll see you for day two.